Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your password on the Trading212 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trading212 app, then go to the menu, which is on the top left corner, and when you tap on it, you have to scroll down and go to the settings. And at the settings tab, you will find the change password is the 5th item on the list. And when you tap on it, it's going to open up the change password tab, where on the top you have to put in your current password. And on the second row, you have to type in your new password and you can save that. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.